18-inch body wave with the 360 lace cap.
And the other body wave was not 360, right?
No, that one was front lace 14 inches. Or 10 inches.
10 inches.
Yes. So we had this one here.
They had a little back. Is this one layered a little bit?
This one, no, they're the exact same. This one has color.
Oh, okay, I got it. So this in a 14.
Will fall just a little bit shorter, or will fall 4 inches shorter because that is a 18. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Do we want to try this one on again?
Because these two are the same, just the color, right?
Yes.
I think that's definitely the right length. I think this is a little too long for me, for what I'm looking for right now.
So these are the two 14s. One has a slight color, and then one is just in a natural color. But this one's my favorite.
That one's your favorite.
Which one? I like 175. I like the natural.
Remember how I told you she was going to say that? But she wants to talk to you about color because she likes this color, but not that much.
What color?
304.
Okay.
I think I like the idea of the versatility of
Have
it.
you tried on 175 already? Did you love it?
We like
Which-
the color better. But
which
she doesn't
175?
like this one.
That's my favorite wig.
I like that. I like them
Oh,
both. I really like this one, and then we put this one on, and I love the color.
Okay.
I just maybe want the highlights,
Not so bright
or maybe not so much. Like,
in the front.
see how it's heavy in the front and then it thins out around the back? Maybe like that, just all over.
Okay, we can do wherever you want to do it. So you
But I
can
like
pick-
this wavy though, because the wavy was straight into that, right?
Yeah.
And that gives me two looks.
Yeah.
More versatility.
Yeah. We don't have a wavy in that length, right? To try on.
Not a 14. Yeah, it's gone yesterday. No 14.
We can order it. Oh, you need it tomorrow.
I'm okay.
Okay.
We want the right look, not the rush look.
Yeah, we can order the 14.
Okay, I'm seeing one more I think I want to try on.
Which one?
It's slightly ombre, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Do you
5,
like
6.
colors?
I'm coming into a new life with my hair, so.
I have one that I really like. I'll take it down. See too. It's beautiful. Like it's beautiful. It's a nice cut too. I'll take it down and take it down.
1, 2, 3. The sixth one on the second shelf, right in front of.
This one.
No, next.
4, 5, 6.
No, in between. Yes. What length is that?
10 inches.
Okay. I know 10.
So that's this one here, but which color? Okay, so
And I know 10 inches is too short for me, so we don't. I'm sorry.
do you want to see the color? You want to try that just because you can?
Sure.
Okay, we can do that. Yeah, let's just see what the different looks look
Oh,
like.
that one is pretty.
This one you'll fall in love with it. It's my second favorite now. Like I see it and I like it, and it has to be my second favorite. So you're gonna try that one and you'll love it.
Yeah. All right, I'll do it.
Is that one 360 as well?
No.
Okay.
I didn't know I handed you that. Well, whatever. Go ahead.
So you're gonna pull up and I'm gonna do the rest. You're gonna pull this part up and I'm gonna do the rest.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Pull it out a little bit more. A little bit more.
Yeah, the 10 inches is too short for me. Yep, no.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Yeah, we don't live in 10-inch wood. We've established that.
If you're gonna do
It's
it,
pretty
do
though,
it.
but they
Yes.
really, they all feel really, really good though. They do. I mean, yeah, the color job is amazing too.
I like this color on you though.
Okay.
Maybe not this short of a unit, but I do like the color. Maybe one day.
Maybe one day. Actually, I had this color for, it was good 15 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, my natural hair fried it to death, but
You ready to color that?
yes, I am.
Okay. You gonna pull it up? That'll be best.
I like the side part.
Okay. Wait until you see it comes to the front. You don't let it. You think we're good? You can't tell me that's not.
That is beautiful.
cute.
That is really pretty.
It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty.
That is very pretty. It's a tag. I like it. How long is this? Is
16.
that's good. Okay, what's different between this one and that one?
They're both front lace. This one's just custom colored, and then
Is the hair the same?
It's the same hair, same texture, everything. One is just longer.
So I'm sure now that I want a side part. That I'm sure of.
You can change them. So their front lace needs to be up earlier, parting about 4 to 5 inches back, depending on what you need.
Mhm.
But you got a lot of.
But this was helpful to see this one in the side part because those were middle parts, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, definitely want a side part.
And we can curl it.
Oh boy, this is longer than that one, though, right?
Then which one?
The other one
But
that
yes,
we.
this is the longest one well, except for this one, but this is longer
Right.
than any other one we've tried today. Because this one's 14, but this is also 14 and then cut bluntly to be 14.
Uh-huh.
So this is cut evenly here,
Mhm.
whereas this one is just naturally false. So there's a little bit of layering in this one, just a little bit, because it's not trimmed straight across like this one is. Does that make sense? How it's trimmed straight here,
Mm-hmm.
where this one's not trimmed straight across. Does that
I
make
don't know.
sense?
Yes, it makes perfect
Okay,
sense. I
okay.
don't know what to do.
Lots of options.
And lots of options.
I like this one.
Wait, that's the one we tried on with color.
Yes.
We haven't tried that one on yet.
No.
Okay. Well, let's try that one
Okay,
on.
okay.
Love side part for sure.
Okay.
Absolutely side part. Oh shoot. Okay.
Okay.
Gotta watch the time. 'Cause
What time do you
I have to be
time?
back in his school at 4.
Okay. It's 2:49.
Yes. You like the other one better,
I
huh?
do. And it's just mainly the color placement. Which one do you like better? And this one's
oh
shorter
my gosh,
as
I
well.
don't.
Let me show you the color in the back.
I do like the color.
Did I show you the color in the back of this one? We can try that one
No.
again.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot the. Sorry.
No, you take your time. Do you want to see some maybe longer blonde brown options?
No, I think I'm set on this is because this actually
Okay.
is in line with how I color my natural hair right now.
Okay, okay.
Can I see the other one?
Yes, Absolutely, absolutely. You can try them on as much as you want. Watch your feet.